Wakey wakey, rise and shine, 7 times 7 is 49.
Hi there, my name is Andrew Holdsworth and I'm the composer of the Sing Your Times Tables with Percy Parker songs, which have been used in thousands of classrooms across the UK for over 10 years.
1 5 is 5 and 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20.
The songs help children to memorise their tables by using funny stories to illustrate how times tables work, and catchy sing-along choruses to make the information stick in their minds.
Just add a 0. Just add a 0. Just add a 0 if you want it times by 10.
Times tables are an essential staple for all primary pupils, and what better way to use their time in lockdown than to learn their times tables with Percy Parker. Simply search in YouTube for Percy Parker. Have fun!
Hi everyone, my name is Jo. I'm a primary school teacher and music specialist, so of course I'm going to talk to you about times tables with music. So you know what it's like when there's a song on the radio that gets stuck in your head and is a total earworm. Well, what if that could happen to your children with their times tables? I know, right? That would be excellent. So what I highly recommend is getting yourself a times table CD. We use one by KidZone, which I think is available on iTunes, but I'm sure many other music purchase places are available. But yeah, get some times tables on, put them on in the background. Kids won't really notice that it's happening, and they'll start to get stuck inside their brain like an earworm. And when you're working on a particular times table with your child, then go to the song, sing it through, have a look with the numbers on the page in front of them, and then with the song at the same time, so they get both. And that really helps to sink things in. If you've got older children, we've also got a really good catchy earworm song to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which will help with all those final tricky facts that everyone gets stuck on. Here it is. You're the only one for me. 7 9s are 63. When I'm with you, I'm in heaven. 56 is 8 times 7. You for me and me for you. 9 times 8 is 72. I will love you evermore. 6 times 9 is 54. I'll be yours and you'll be mine. 81 is 9 times 9. A big playhouse I'll build for you. 7 6 is 42. See you at the church and don't be late. 8 times 6 is 48. You and I will married be when we leave this nursery.
Alexa, play the song 2 times tables.
Here's 2 Times Table by Kids Now on Amazon Music.
Times Tables Tunes. The 2 times table. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4.
Use doubling to help you work out times table calculations you don't know. 2 times table, double it will give you your 4 times table. The same with your 3 times table, double that will give you your 6 times table. Your 4 times table, double your 4 times table will give you your 8 times table.
Hi, I'm Andy and I'm a primary school teacher, and I just want to share with you a high energy interactive times table activity that you'll find really useful with your children at home. I've got the 4 times table in front of me, as you can see, and you can see that at the moment you've got all of the 4 times table answers, and what you would do is first of all is go through all the answers first, starting from 0 going all the way through. Do that until your child is really confident with counting up in 4s. Then you can progress to linking in the actual equation, and with the equation with the answer, so 1 times 4 is 4, and so on, and keep doing that until your child again is confident and then ready for the next step. The next step is where you actually then remove the times table from the line up here and get your child to then recite the 4 times table again, trying to make sure that they can actually include the times table that you've removed. Again, you keep doing that, keep removing them, and you can remove them in any order you'd like, absolutely fine. Then you get to the point where there'll be nothing for for your child to see, and then they should hopefully be able to recite, in this case, the 4 times table from memory. Once you get to that point, then you know your child is secure in that times table, and then you can move on and do a different times table. Enjoy this activity and stay safe. Thank you.
Right, let's practice our 2 times table. So, let's do this together. Start with this one. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Excellent. What times table are we doing?
2,
2. What goes at this end?
0,
What times table are we doing?
2,
What goes at this end?
0.
Right, let's take away these. Let's see if you can remember them. Right, let's go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Lovely. What goes at this end?
0,
And what times table are we doing?
2,
And if we times 2 by 10, what do we get?
20.
20. Let's take away 20. What times table are we doing?
2,
And if we times it by 10, what do we get?
20.
Lovely. And what goes at this end?
0,
Right, let's try and do it with those 3 missing numbers. Off we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong, just see if you can carry on and pick it up. What times table are we doing?
2,
2. And if we times 2 by 10, what do we get?
20.
And what goes at this end?
0,
What times table are we doing?
2,
What times table are we doing?
2,
And if we double 2, what do we get?
4,
4. Let's take that one away. What times table are we doing?
2,
Times that by 2?
4,
4. What times table are we doing?
2,
Double that.
4,
What times table are we doing?
2,
Double that.
4,
And if we half 4, what do we get?
2,
Good. What goes at this end?
0,
And what goes at that end?
20.
Good. Let's go through it. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
20.
Lovely. What times table are we doing?
2,
Double that.
4,
If we double 4,
8,
8. What times table are we doing?
2,
Double that.
4,
Double that.
8,
Lovely. What goes at that end?
0,
And what goes at that end?
20.
Lovely. To practice one more time. What time table are we doing?
2,
Double 2.
4,
Double 4.
6,
Oh, is it? Let's have a look, shall we? Look at the stick. What time table are we doing?
2,
Double 2.
4,
And double that.
8,
Excellent. And what goes at this end?
0,
And what goes at that end?
20.
Lovely. Let's see if we can do it all. 0,
0,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right, this is a special number. Do you know what number we call this? We call it the key. Tell me what number the key is.
6,
Good. Whisper me the key. Say a bit louder. Say a bit louder.
6,
Whisper the key. Good. What times table are we doing?
2,
Double 2.
4,
Double 4.
8,
What was the key? A bit louder. What goes here?
0,
And what goes at this end?
20.
Lovely. What was the key? Can you remember what number went there?
8,
And half of that? And half of that?
2,
Good. What's the key? Right, let's go, shall we? Nice and loud.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Excellent. Tell me what times table we're doing.
2,
Double that.
4,
Double 4.
8,
Tell me the key. Do you know what double 6 is?
12,
12. Tell me the key. Double that. Good girl. What number went here?
8,
And half of 8.
4,
And half of 4.
2,
Good. And what goes at this end?
0.
And what goes at this end?
20.
Lovely. Tell me the times table.
2.
2. Right, are you ready? Look at the
Yes.
stick just in case. Ready?
2.
Oh! What goes here?
0.
Okay, ready?
2.
Oh.
0.
0.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Lovely. Tell me the times table.
2.
Double that. Have a drink. Always important to have a drink. Tell me the
4.
times table. 4. Double that.
8.
Double the key. Double the key.
12.
12. Add 2.
14.
14. Tell me the key.
6.
Double 6.
12.
Add 2.
14.
Lovely. Tell me the times table.
2.
Double that.
4.
Double that.
So, you've got your questions on the outside. For example, 4 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Your answer is 8. Open up, choose another one. 5 times 2 is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I'm going to go for 10 times 2 is 20. I'm going to open that up. And you can write some things there or draw some pictures. Have fun.
Use what you know to find out what you don't know. So if you know what 2 times 10 is, you can work out what 2 times 9 is by subtracting one lot of 2. Equally, if you know what 2 times 11 is, you can add another lot of 2 to work out what 2 times 12 is. And this works with all times tables. 100 square is a good way for children to be able to spot patterns within a particular times tables. Using equipment such as Numicon, counters, cubes or Lego is a good way for children to be able to spot visually what the times table looks like. Playing games such as Snakes and Ladders again gives children a visual way of looking at the times tables and making it fun. Getting them to make their own board games also helps reinforce the times table facts. Writing down their times tables in as many different ways keeps it fun and interesting for children. So this is how to use your fingers to work out the 9 times tables. If I want to work out 2 times 9, I put my second finger down. All the numbers on the left hand side of the finger that is down will be your tens. All the fingers on the right hand side of the finger down will be your ones. So in this case 2 times 9 is 10, and then you've got 8 fingers on this side, so it works out to be 18. If I want to work out 3 times 9, I put the third finger down. The numbers on the left hand side are your tens, so that's 20. The numbers on the right hand side of the finger that's down works out to be 7, so it's 27.
2 times 3.
6. Wherever. Where is it?